back to Get Updated Now, and here we are with another product that is from the Ksecret, which is one of the popular brands, a Korean brand, a skincare brand which people are loving. And if this secret body peeling gel is for a softer and clearer skin, so you just have to use it and then you can peel off the dead skin cells. The natural ingredients, so first look at all the ingredients here, and then the natural ingredients, or what they are actually using. White flower complex, they have hibiscus and rosa, which is good for a smooth skin. Yeah, and you have to be sure that you know how to apply it, so better to follow the direction given by the brand. So how to use it, see, it's made in Korea, and let me show you how to use it. So before or after shower, you have to apply a proper amount to dry skin and then massage it for about 1 minute and rinse with lukewarm water. Whenever they say lukewarm water, you have to be sure that you're not using hot water, because hot water can take away all the moisture from your skin. So yes, here it is for a softer skin. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.